videos on YouTube. I would recommend everybody to watch him. He's very, very good.
And what to think about Chef Ricardo YouTube channel?
Oh, it's the best. It's the best.
And what do you
It's
think-
just so simple to make. I would recommend it to anybody.
What about the recipes?
The recipes are very good.
And what
Any
is
recipe you like, anything you want. Chicken, barbecue chicken, how to make patties, everything. Even how to lose weight. He does it all. Please, please try his videos on YouTube. They're very, very good.